Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nothing Phone 3 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find sound and vibration. Let's tap. Then we have to scroll down to find the phone ringtone option and tap on it. Okay. So here we've got different modes, and the classic one and the generative one. The generative is dynamically generated ringtones with automatic assignment to individual contacts, and the classic is, let's say, just classic. And if you wish to change the ringtone manually, I highly recommend to simply tap on the classic, because here we've got the default ringtone for all contacts, and you can customize the contacts manually, and in generative one your device will do it, let's say, automatically. So let's tap on classic, and here we've got the default ringtone, so just tap on it. Here we've got the currently selected currently selected ringtone, and under it we've got the sound library. So we've got Nothing signals, where we've got 10 sounds. They are pre-installed, and my sounds, so you can basically enter your own files. So if you've got something, for example, downloaded, then it should appear somewhere here, and you will be able to set it as a ringtone. But let me choose something from Nothing signals, and as you can see, we can change them just by swiping. And oh my god. Okay, let me volume it down a little bit first of all. And this is how we can change it and how we can check the ringtone. So here we've got the classic one, ripple, pulse, wings, dolphin, Anna, sticks, wizard, hammer, and something like that. So I mean, the options which are available are quite unusual, I would say. So let me choose maybe this one. Let's say I want this pulse. So if you will choose the specific sound, just tap on this tick icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, it is also notified here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.